Hello to all my profit-chasing hamsters across the galaxy. Dreaming big never hurt anyone, but have you ever really stopped to think what you'd do with buckets of cash? I mean, serious billions in the bank? Well, today we're taking a fun little detour into Dreamland, imagining all the wild and wonderful ways we could spend a fortune. I'm already drooling just thinking about it. So pause those to-do lists, get cozy, and let's start blowing that imaginary bankroll like total money legends. Let's go!
Let's see how quickly I can spend $100 billion. Okay, right, let's buy 1,000 Big Macs, build 10 skyscrapers, 5 cruise ships for my retirement, 100 years of Netflix because I'm going to live another 100 years, 10,000 gaming consoles, 1 million drones because I like drones, and 1 million iPhones. Let's invest in 100,000 acres of farmland, 20,000 Rolexes, 300 Teslas, 7 gold bars, 10,000 designer handbags for my wife, 50 McDonald's franchises, 1,000 F1 cars, I definitely need that, 1,000 Apache helicopters. Let's make 30 movies, and 17 NBA teams later, we've still got some change left over. Elon Musk has more than triple what we spent. The money's out there. Go get yours.
Phew, I don't know about you, but just watching that kind of shopping spree was a total treat. Now that we've wiped the drool off our whiskers, let's get real for a sec. Not every buy in that cart made much sense, and yeah, I know. It was all just a wild example to show what kind of madness comes with that much cash. But come on, 1,000 helicopters? Even if you flew a new one every single day for a whole year, you'd still have a whole squad left over. If you're gonna burn that kind of dough, at least do it with a brain. And that Elon Musk comparison? The difference is, he invests and multiplies his fortune, not just blows it on bling. Anyway, dream ride's over. Back to the grind, because that cheddar won't stack itself. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one, and remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one.